One of the year's most exciting performance showdowns is shaping up between the new Ford Mustang Dark Horse SC and the legendary Porsche 911 GT3. On paper, both cars chase the same goal of track dominance, yet they arrive there using completely different philosophies. That contrast is exactly what makes this matchup so fascinating, especially when you factor in exhaust sound and driving character. Ford created the Dark Horse SC to live between the regular Dark Horse and the extreme Mustang GTD. It takes the familiar long hood Mustang shape and transforms it into something far more focused. Under that hood sits a 5.2-liter supercharged V8, known as the Predator, an engine that already carries serious credibility. While Ford is still holding back final power figures, the same engine produces 815 horsepower in the GTD and previously delivered 760 horsepower in the Shelby GT500. Even before official numbers arrive, the Dark Horse SC promises a deep, aggressive exhaust sound paired with supercharger whine that feels raw and unapologetic. Across the ring, the 911 GT3 stays loyal to Porsche tradition. Its naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat 6 revs all the way to 9,000 RPM, producing 502 horsepower and 331 pound-feet of torque. Numbers alone do not tell the full story here. The GT3's exhaust sound is sharp, high-pitched, and emotional, building intensity as the revs climb. It is one of the last truly high-revving engines still available today, and it delivers an experience that feels mechanical and alive. Layout plays a major role in how these cars behave. The Mustang places its engine up front and sends power to the rear wheels, while the GT3 carries its engine at the back. That rear engine setup gives the Porsche impressive traction and braking confidence, especially when pushing hard. The Mustang counters with balance and brute force, relying on careful chassis tuning and aerodynamic aids. With the track package installed, Ford claims up to 620 pounds of downforce at 180 miles per hour, signaling serious intent. Transmission choices highlight another philosophical divide. Porsche still offers a 6-speed manual for drivers who want maximum involvement, even if it costs a few tenths to 60 miles per hour. A quicker dual-clutch option is also available. The Dark Horse SC skips the manual entirely and uses a Trim-X 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, expected to deliver rapid shifts that keep the car competitive during hot laps. Rivals they may be, but these machines are built on very different foundations. The Mustang Dark Horse SC brings muscle car attitude refined for the circuit, while the 911 GT3 represents decades of sports car evolution. Their exhaust sound alone tells two very different stories, and both are thrilling in their own way. This is the kind of comparison that reminds you why performance cars still matter